This is our radius large and small trash tube. Wonderful way to manage the trash in your vehicle. It's made from a Cordura exterior shell. It has a Tarpaulin interior liner. It's got a rigid structure up top, and it has a removable retention ring as well that fits within that structure to keep the trash bag tidy and keeping it from flapping in the wind. It's got a full-length zipper from the bottom up for when we overstuff our trash. Much easier to pull it out the bottom than out of the top. We can hang this thing two different ways. Both of them have anodized aluminum G-hooks at the top for hanging from a seat back. We have 4 molle points on the back if you want to mount it to a molle panel. Just a wonderful way to deal with your trash in your adventure vehicle.